Hi, my name is Marianne Andrews, and I live in Auburn, California. Auburn is in the foothills of the Sierras, just outside of Sacramento. I came to BYU through the Pathway program. I'd always wanted to finish my bachelor's degree, and because of this program, I now have the opportunity, and it's been such a blessing to me. My AA degree is not from a church school, and the contrast is just remarkable. The gospel-centered approach, it enriches the subject matter, and I really feel it's enriched me personally as well. I'm the mother of 10 lovely daughters, 9 of whom are in this picture here. It was taken about 8 years ago at my daughter Cheryl's wedding. They're all grown and gone now, but they've given me 21 beautiful grandchildren to play with, and there's another 3 on the way. One due in April, one in May, and one in July. Being a grandma is so delightful. I'm really enjoying it. It is all the fun of being a parent with none of the responsibility. It's having this big family when we get together. It's just so fun and loud and raucous, and I really enjoy it. This is another picture that holds a bit more of the family. That was at my daughter Crystal's wedding about 5 years ago. Even at our weddings, we just haven't been able to get everybody together. My kids are scattered all over the country, and so we get as many as we can together, and that's great. My degree will be in home and family studies. And I plan to use the concepts that I'm learning, first of all, with my own grandchildren. I also plan to share the things I'm learning with my friends and family, and perhaps through social media or writing. I think families face so many challenges and conflicting information in the time that we now live. I feel our culture has many anti-family undercurrents running through it, and my most heartfelt concern is how this is affecting the children. So I hope to be a source of quality information for others. I don't have any plans to use my degree for a job. I'm currently working as a massage therapist. I specialize in chronic pain and injury. I've been doing this for about 15 years, and it's really satisfying, but it's very physical, and I am starting to feel it. The hands are getting tired. So I plan to retire in about a year or so, and my husband is retiring as well, so that will be good. One more thing about me is that I'm a real animal lover. I have 4 little Yorkies, one of which was in this picture, and I used to breed them, but now I just play with them, and I find homes for the occasional rescue dog that comes my way. Well, that pretty much sums me up. Good luck to you in your endeavors in this class, and bye for now.